The 2018 Dodge Charger is exceptionally old school, and still plays hooky. Other 4 entryway, full-measure cars have bended toward mass showcase offer, yet the Charger moves up a pack in its 2005 shirt sleeves and makes for the entryway. The 2018 Charger comes in such huge numbers of trims and models, we consider them in gatherings, V6 and V8. You can have a Charger SXT with the previous, or RTs and Hellcats with the last mentioned, and spend any place from the mid-$20,000s to nearly $70,000. The 2018 Charger lineup separates itself at the chamber tally. V6 autos have sensible increasing speed and dealing with, while the huge yield V8s have singing takeoff and huge amounts of grasp. We give the Dodge Charger focuses better than expected for its motors, its transmission, and general execution. Base 2018 Charger cars are currently named SXT versus a year ago's SE identification. They accompany control includes, a power driver situate, a USB port and Bluetooth, fabric seats, 18-inch wheels, a rear view camera and back stopping sensors, and a touchscreen infotainment framework with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SXT Plus includes cowhide situates, warmed and ventilated front seats, 20-inch wheels, and blind side screens.